What is responsa prudentium in ancient Roman law? Imagine a time when the law was not just written rules but also depended heavily on the wisdom of expert judges. That's where responsa prudentium come into play. These were official legal opinions given by highly skilled jurists in ancient Rome. These jurists, called prudentes or jurisconsulti, were like the legal advisors of their time. They answered tough questions about the law posed by magistrates, judges, or private citizens. In the early days of Rome, during the Roman Republic, these opinions were more like scholarly advice. They didn't have the power to force anyone to follow them. They were seen as moral guidance, helping to interpret the law in tricky situations. But everything changed when Emperor Augustus came to power. He granted a special right called jurisconsulti to a select group of jurists. This meant they could give legal opinions that had official authority. Once they had this power, their responsa became more than just advice. They turned into binding legal guidance that judges and officials had to follow. These opinions were carefully prepared, often sealed to prevent forgery, and sometimes included detailed reasoning. This made them trustworthy sources of law, almost like legal rules that everyone had to respect. Over time, responsa prudentium became a key part of Roman legal practice. They helped clear up laws that were unclear or ambiguous. When written laws didn't cover a situation, these juristic opinions filled the gaps. They also helped interpret statutes and adapt the law to new circumstances. This body of legal advice influenced how courts made decisions and created a consistent legal system. In Roman politics and law, these responsa showed how learned jurists played a vital role beyond just writing laws. They acted as a bridge between strict written rules and real-life justice. Their opinions allowed the law to evolve and stay relevant. The process also reinforced the authority of the emperor, since the jurists' opinions were officially sanctioned. In everyday Roman life, responsa prudentium were often consulted in legal disputes. They influenced court decisions and the application of laws in many cases. They formed part of the ius civili or civil law, working alongside statutes, magistrates' edicts, and customary law. This system of expert legal advice, backed by imperial authority, helped Roman law stay stable, flexible, and influential for centuries to come.